Gentlemen of the press, I call you this afternoon to give you a briefing of some of the accomplishments of the command in accordance with our constitutional mandate to safeguard the lives and property of Rivers residents. And just as usual, a weekly briefing. You can see that we have about 9 success stories. One, neutralization of suspect and recovery of arms and ammunition, recovery of arms and ammunition from some other suspects too, rescue of kidnapped victims and recovery of suspects' operational vehicles, arrest of notorious armed robbers and kidnappers, arrest of suspected armed robbers and other kidnappers also. Robbers, so many of them involved in this other issue, but different operations. Unlawful possession of hard drugs also, those people arrested, arrest of suspected armed robbers also, and arrest of members of a kidnap gang. Operatives of the command on 1st November 2023 at about 4:00 hours, following credible information received about suspicious and clandestine movement of notorious gang members of armed robbery syndicates who checked in at a hotel located at Chokocho along Eche Road in Eche local government area of Rivers State. Operatives of Octopus Strike Force immediately swung into action. The suspect and other members of his notorious gang who has been alleged and on the trail of the command watch list, who also attacked one victim name, I want to withhold that name, on 3rd March this year, 2023, at about 8:30 p.m. at Rumudora, Port Harcourt. The suspect, who is the leader of the team, shot the victim on his leg, which later resulted to the amputation of his leg. Also snatched is his ash color Glare Coulere saloon car, valued for 13 million naira, and also robbed him of his GSM handset, Samsung Galaxy Note 20, Techno Phantom 1, both valued for 850,000 naira, and other personal valued properties. The notorious gang leader, in desperate bid to escape arrest, opened fire on the teams of operatives, but was brought down by the superior firing power of the police. However, he was rushed to the hospital for medical treatment, but was confirmed dead by the doctor on duty. 1 AK-47 rifle, 2 magazines, and 20 rounds of ammunition of 7.62 mm ammunition, police handcuffs with keys were recovered. Also, the receiver of the stolen vehicle was also arrested. 1 Yakubu Imam Abdullahi, male, aged 35, and Nuhu Saleh, age 41. Investigation is ongoing to arrest other fleeing members of the gang. 2, recovery of arms and ammunition from suspect. Operatives of the command on 1st of November 2023 at about 4 p.m., following credible information received about the suspicion and clandestine movement of 2 young men who checked in at a La Bliss hotel located at Chokocho along Igbeche Road, Port Harcourt, on 23rd at about 11 p.m. have not shown up since then. A combined team of operatives of the Octopus and the Gruta Police Division moved immediately to the aforementioned hotel and conducted a search in the hotel, where 1 AK-47 rifle with breech number 23537, 2 magazines and 21 rounds, 7.6 mm live ammunition were also recovered. Later, at about 6 p.m. of the same day, the team of operatives laid ambush around the hotel, which led to the arrest of one of the suspects identified as Joshua Iwu, also known as Immortal, age 30 years, a native of Ikeduru, Imo State, who has been on the police trail following his involvement in several cases of armed robbery, car snatching, and kidnapping within Port Harcourt and his environment. The suspect and exhibits are in police custody for a discreet investigation. 3. Rescue of kidnapped victims and recovery of suspected operational vehicle. The operatives of the command on 1st of November 2023 at about 5:30 p.m. equally rescued an abducted victim, name withheld, in Rumu Agbolu of Eligbam Road, Port Harcourt, who was abducted by 3 armed men and a woman, who whisked her away from Evo Road, GRA, Port Harcourt. Police operatives mobilized and swung into action by giving the gangs of hoodlums a hot chase. In an attempt to escape, the hoodlums forced the victim of the vehicle in motion along Port Harcourt-Aba Express Road, and the escaped victim was immediately rescued by the operatives. The suspect operational vehicle, a Toyota Camry blue color with registration number Lagos KRD 881CE, was later recovered after persistent pursuit. Investigation is also in progress. Effort has been intensified to arrest the fleeing hoodlums and then recover their operational weapons. Arrest of notorious armed robbers and kidnappers. Operatives of the command, while on stop and search at KYC roundabout on 1st November 2023 at about 10:30 p.m., arrested one James Victor, male, 27 years, of Akwa Ibom State, with a locally made pistol and 3 cartridges. The suspect confessed to having the locally made pistol and he is into car snatching and kidnapping. Effort has been in place to arrest other members of the gang. 5. Arrest of suspected armed robbers, recovery of arms. Operative of the command on 15th October 2023 at about 10 a.m. while on routine patrol along NTA Road, sighted a black Toyota Corolla 2005 model with reverse registration number NDN 525PG. The said car was brought to the base, and upon search, a locally made revolver pistol with 3.9 mm bullets and a cutlass was recovered. The suspect, Destiny Ama, male, 29 years old, who is also a member of a gang of criminals terrorizing the state, has been detained while preliminary investigation is on the way. 6. Arrest of another armed robbery suspect. Operatives of the command on 27th of October 2023 at about 10:30 p.m. arrested and transferred one Prince Ikiriko, male, age 23, of number 17 OB Street, Mile 2, Diop, a native of Abonima Town, Akukutoro local government area of River State, with one locally fabricated revolver pistol and 4 rounds of live ammunition. On integrations, he confessed to having been involved in several armed robbery activities along Aba Port Harcourt Road in River State. 7. Unlawful possession of hard drug. Operatives of C4I Intelligence on 28 October 2023 at about 5:20 p.m. based on credible information, intercepted one Volkswagen bus with registration number MUC 910YA, white in color. When they cited the police, the driver took to his heels. The police gave him a hot chase and arrested him, upon which search in his car and recovered 300 parcels of weed suspected to be Indian hemp. The suspect and the exhibit are in police custody. Investigation still ongoing. And those are some of the contents of the weed. You can see them there. 8. Arrest of suspected armed robbers. Following transfer of armed robbery case with one suspect, Uzoma Bani, male from Elele Division, on 22nd of September 2023 at about 2 p.m. Police operatives of C4I Intelligence and anti-kidnapping followed up the case, which led to the arrest of one Kelvin Mel, a native of Delta State, who sustained a gun injury while escaping arrest in previous operations. Items recovered included one locally made pistol with a live cartridge and a minibus with registration number Abuja ABJ 993 XE at Gariki, Elelewon, Port Harcourt, by police operatives. The suspects specialize in robbing their victims at gunpoint of their valuables. The injured suspect is receiving medical treatment while an investigation is in progress to trace and arrest other gang members. 9. Arrest of members of a kidnapping gang. Square to transfer of a case of kidnapping from Eneka division, where a victim was rescued. Operatives of the command, in furtherance of the investigation on 25th September 2023, at about 3 p.m., arrested one of the suspects named Chidebere Chima, male, aged 41, a native of Ikeduru, local government of Imo State, at Oyibo area of River State. The suspect from investigation was fingered in the kidnap of one victim, name withheld, at Hastrop Estate, Port Harcourt. The suspect was arrested at the oil mill Eleme Junction, where he came to pick up a supposed ransom of 3 million naira. Upon interrogation, he confessed to having drugged the victim on 9 September 2023 at about 4 p.m., taking him somewhere in a Eneka bush, tied him, and removed almost all his teeth. The suspects led operative to recover the victim's Toyota Corolla, a silver 205 model, not yet registered. Effort to apprehend other members of the syndicate is in progress. Curbing crime in our society is a collective job. I hereby call on all residents of River State to be open and supportive of the security operatives in the fight against crime and criminality, and also urge all parents and guardians to caution their children not to associate with people of nefarious activity, and they should always let people know their whereabouts, most especially during this festive period. Thank you for all your support.